I'm not sure what just happened with my grill, but I may be about to have a heart attack. I think that this is my hair singed off. My chest is on fire. And I just walked outside and I turned the knob on the grill and it just exploded in my face. It just, I think I'm in shock. I think my hair is gonna fall out. Oh my God. My shirt is so crunchy. Oh, my chest. Oh, it burns. I'm scared to touch my hair. I'm gonna go bald. There's worse things that could happen. I don't even know what just happened. Jokes on the people of the internet who always say my hair's fried. Yeah, it damn sure is now. Oh my God, it stinks so bad. Oh my God. Smell terrible. I think every ounce of skin on my chest is burned. I'm not really sure. Try not to panic about the hair thing. So we got this Moroccan oil. Is this a bad time to do a plug? Hey guys, would highly recommend this Moroccan treatment oil. I'm gonna spray it all over my hair because I don't really know what else to do right now, and I'm kind of panicking. My hair is gone. Gone. I'm trying not to cry. I guess I'm gonna try to brush it now. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna get in the shower. I feel like a shower will make me feel better.